Hello Collective and Chosen Ones. Today's just a quick reading about your ambitions and your work and whatever project that's going on. I'm seeing a person who's perfecting their craftsmanship, and you're very passionate about what you're doing. You're all about developing the skills to become highly an expert in your field. You can see this card looking at very much in detail about what you're doing, and you don't have a problem just working hard towards it. And your goal is perfecting anything that you set out to do. This is a very highly focused person I'm talking to. So this is another card that is about a true healer. You're about creating a very healthy life, and you have a lot of positive energy about you. You go through life with the energy and the flow. You're very passionate. This card is not necessarily about a female, but it's not gender specific, but it's more or less feminine energy that's very nurturing. Now, this is my ambition card, somebody who's a true leader and a business person who set out to do what they want to do, and they achieve their goal and meet their target. It's also about a person who's very compassionate towards others and helping others make their success and manifestation. Now, you can see an animal that's close to them. So this person's truly about providing for others as well, and not only that, but for animals as well. They're an animal lover, and they truly make their success through their ambitions and with a lot of prosperity behind them. Now finally, this is a confirmation about somebody who's very ambitious and not afraid to go after what they want. So this is a very highly focused person who sets out their target and goes out to get them. And nothing is too hard for them. They will go through that, and they have a lot of ambition and drive. Now, if this is you, you are entering a time of prosperity, and you really focus on things to get your money and your long-term success in providing not only to yourself, but a permanent state for your family and close ones.